Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one program. This is every programmer's first step. When we are a beginners, we will be starts from this program. And today we are going to learn how to print one sentence. We are going to learn how to print hello world in this class. So let's get started. Open the Eclipse. Let's go. Click on file. Click on file. Then new. Then project, then here Java project, then click on next. Give the project name. I will give Java series. Then click on next, click on finish. Then here in src we will create one package com dot java series dot classes. Click on finish. Then right click on this one package and create a class hello world. Click on public static void main string of args, then click on finish. You will be get this code. Here you can see that this is the package. Like package, we can say that if you want to put some of the related files or related some codes together, then we are using the package. Inside this package, we can put some of the related files, some of the related codes we can put. So we are using the package. And next we can see that public class hello world, right? What it means in Java, everything starts from class. What is meaning of public? Public means accessible from anywhere. We can access from the another class, we can access from the another package, another subclass, we can access it. So that we are using the public. It is accessible from anywhere. Class is the keyword to declare the class. In Java, I told you everything starts with the class, right? So it is the indication of that class. So we are using the keyword as the class. Then hello world, this is the class name. You can give any class name, like give a related name. So we are printing a hello, right? Hello world we are printing. So that I am given a similar name, hello world. Then we can see that public static void main string of args. This is the main method. This is the main method and it is the entry point of any Java program. This is the entry point. We can say that public static void main string of args. This is the entry point of any Java program. Means entry point means the Java program where the execution starts. From where execution starts, this will be indicated by this signature, method signature, public static void main string of args. Without the main method, the Java virtual machine means JVM does not know where to begin and run the code. So this thing is very important part of the any Java program. Now let's see public. Public means it must be public, so the JVM can access it. It should be a public. JVM can access it, so that we are giving a public. Then static. Static means we don't need to create an object to run this method. So here for this method, if the JVM want to access this method, no need to create an object of this class and start. I know it will be confusion when you are beginner, when you are starting the program. It will be understandable by enough further classes, like how it is going to be work, like object creation means what, like that you will be understand. That time you will get a more clarity about it. Public static means the main method must be the public and static. Ensure that it's available to the JVM without needing the instance of the class. We no need to create object of the class. So JVM can access it. so that it will be public static. Void means it is a return type. Means void means it does not return any value. If we are not returning any value from this method, then we are giving as a void. Main means the name of the method. String arg means command line arguments. This is represented an arrays of the command line arguments passed to the program. You will be understand in the further class. If I explain you, then you will not understand, then you will get a confusion, like you will think, array it's a complicated one. So it will be understandable in depthly in the next classes. So don't much think it's a difficult or arrays have something big like that. Don't think. Okay, next, if you want to print something on the console, then what we are going to use means we are using one sentence, system dot out dot print ln, then open parenthesis, then write what you want to print on the console. I will print hello world. Welcome back. System.out.println hello world, welcome back. System means it is the built-in Java class. System means built-in Java class. Out means the static object of the print stream class. Then println means the method to print the line with the new line at the end. Means I will show you. Let's save and click on run here. Click on run. Then see, you can see that hello world, welcome back. Now I will give one more sentence. Then save the program and run. See here, hello world, welcome back. Hello world, welcome back. You are getting in a different line, right? Hello world, welcome back. Hello world, welcome back. Both are getting in the different lines, right? So if I just give print, what happened? Let's check. Save and run. See here, in the same line we are getting hello world, welcome back and hello world, welcome back, right? If we just give a print, then we will print everything in the single line. If you write ln here, then see what happened. See, it will becomes in different line. Print ln means the method to print the line with the new line at the end. Then this is a hello world, welcome back. This is the message you want to print. You can give anything here. I will give welcome back. Misbah. Run. See here, welcome back Misbah. Like that. The message you want to print on the console, that will be given here within the double quotes. And common mistake beginner will be do like missing the semicolon or wrong case. Java is a case sensitive, so you should be see about cases. Like here printed main, right? If you printed here yum, see here you will get an error. See here, main method not found in the class. So Java is the case sensitive, so be careful with the cases. And system.out.println, it should be the same. So think about this case sensitives. And file name, everything should be give carefully whatever you are given while creating an class, right? So that time whatever you are given a name, you give the same here, give the class name same, file name. Okay, this is about how to print a hello world. Then from next video we are going further, and we will understand everything from the scratch. We are going to learn, and one day we will build a real world project. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you.